Hi everyone. This question says, check to see if the given cluster is using SSL connections or not. We just need to check whether internally for the communications it is using SSL or not. Also, as part of the question, it says, use the cluster URL to run a health check and save the cluster health data to a file called health-check.txt in the home directory. So let's just go and do our check. So this is my machine, means my master machine, where I'm going to check my cluster status. So G get ports and -a. If you know, there is one port specifically for all the HC related data, and that is HCD-node 6 in my case. And now we are going to describe this particular code and check whether it has all the information specified in a SSL based method, or it's just a plain or without SSL based implementation. So G describe and code. My code name is this. It is inside kube-system. So now I'm going to check specific string, that is -I command. And within command, after this command string, I'm going to check for like some 15 to 20 lines. So I'm checking for 19 at the moment. And as you can see, I'm able to list all the information after command. And here you can see for most of the services, it is using HTTPS. So as you can see here also for the advertised peer URLs for initial cluster itself, it is using HTTPS. And only for the matrix URLs, which is not significant, it is for matrix. So here it is using HTTP, but rest of the implementation is using HTTPS. Also, you can see some certs which are basically in use just to provide you security. So we are sure that it is using SSL implementation. Now let's just go ahead and check for the second ask. It is saying use the cluster URL to run a health check and save the cluster health data to a file called health-check-test. For that, let's say curl-k, and in my machine it is HTTPS and then node 6, which is my master node. I can specify the IP as well. And then I need to specify the port, which is 6443, my cluster URL port. And after that, I'm saying lives. And after lives, I can say what those. I think this is the URL. Let's just check whether it is the right URL or not. So when we run this particular URL, as you can see, to check the health of my entire cluster, it gives me pretty much all the information about whether everything goes okay or not. You can see ping is okay, log is okay, etcd is okay, and rest of the things like whatever confirms that everything within the cluster is looking fine. So we are going to just place this information inside my file called health check.txt. So let's see if it is there on health. So we have created the required file, and this is it. Thanks for watching. Have a great time. See you. Bye.